How to play Bopl Battle with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to play Bopl Battle with friends. To play Bopl Battle with friends, follow these steps depending on the platform and game mode you're using. Step by step. 1. Open the game. Launch Bopl from Steam or your preferred platform. 2. Create a lobby. Click Online, choose Create Game, then set your match settings, number of rounds, map pool. Then, after the lobby is created, you will see a code or invite option. 3. Invite your friends. Share the room code with your friends. Alternatively, if you're on Steam, click Invite Friends and use the Steam overlay to invite them directly. 4. Wait for them to join. Once they enter the code or accept your invite, they will appear on the lobby. 5. Start the game. When everyone is ready, click Start and enjoy the calls. How to play locally. Couch multiplayer. If you want to play on the same device, 1. Select the local from the main menu. 2. Plug in multiple controller or use keyboard splits. 3. Choose your characters and settings. And 4. Press Start to begin the match. Remote play together. If your friends don't own the game but you're on Steam, 1. Launch Bopl Battle. 2. Go to local mode. 3. Open Steam overlay, shift more tab. 4. Right click a friend, then remote play together. And 5. They will be able to play as if they were on your PC. And that's the full tutorial on how to play Bopl Battle with your friends, online, local, or with remote play. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.